We're here today in Nottingham at the Notts County Football Stadium, the oldest football club in the world.
It was founded in 1862, founder member of the English Football League. Unfortunately, it's spent the last 4 or 5 years in the National League, but we were able to gain promotion back to the EFL on a very dramatic day at Wembley in May, and we're looking forward to a new season.
Notts County had a very legacy system in here from another manufacturer. It's been in for a number of years.
The main thrust of the entertainment system is within the Stadium Bowl, and obviously behind that, wherever supporters go, we're obliged to provide feedback of a safety nature. So that's sort of almost like a subsidiary system in the background, going through the hospitality suites and other areas where fans congregate.
Notts County contacted us as a result of them speaking to another club. It was recommended that we come and have a look at the raging system and see how we can help them and improve the atmosphere on a match day and also ensure compliance to all the latest regulations.
We were asked to come down to Notts County to do a survey of the stadium, inspect the system that was already in, and obviously offer a solution for both public address and voice alarm to bring the club up to standard with EM54 certification and BS 5839.
When the stadium was built and designed, the level of technology that you can integrate within a stadium application like this, it wasn't around how can you attach the speakers and how can you implement infrastructure within the existing structure. It was a challenge.
At the heart of the public address voice alarm system sits the Bosch PRAESENSA family of products. This takes care of all the voice alarm communications to the stadium, any life safety critical announcements that need to be made. The Bosch PRAESENSA amplifiers to cover all the concourse, all the back of house areas, and then in the bowl area we actually use the Electro-Voice loudspeakers in conjunction with IPX amplifiers from Dynacord.
PRAESENSA is the PAVA head end, if you like, and then handling the pro audio side of things and the power that's required to drive such a system is the IPX with MXE5 on top. So we can do clever things like recall scenes through the MXE5, we can use the GPIO, which is how it's integrated into PRAESENSA. Because this is part of a live safety system, it's really important that the amplifiers are on 24 hours a day, doing line monitoring and checking Dante subscriptions. Typically, if an amplifier is on and it's doing all those things, it's using the same as or very similar power as it would if it was running full volume. With EcoRail in the IPX amplifiers, the amp drops to a lower voltage rail and it can still actually output background levels of music, but uses a significantly less power. And that adds up to massive savings when you're on a project like this where you have multiple amplifiers.
Integrating PRAESENSA with the Dynacord, MXE and IPXs was really simple. They all sit on the Dante network and utilise the Dante technology. Actually having the technical team in Germany that have done a lot of Stadia application meant that we have a lot of experience that's been brought across from Germany, including on-site technical visits that actually allow us to make sure that these two systems are flawlessly integrated.
This is set to be one of the best sounding stadiums in the UK.
We've taken this stadium to another level, bringing the fan engagement and the sound pressure level, the intelligibility to an all-time high.
We're really happy with how it's gone in, considering that this is the first complete stadium in the UK that is running the PRAESENSA voice alarm and control indication equipment and the Dynacord MXE processors and IPX. Yeah, we're really happy with what we've achieved.
Yeah, very, very happy. Very, very happy. I think the match day experience will be a lot more enjoyable for all our spectators.